Hey challenge students, I'm going to take a moment to show you how you're going to submit your lessons for the week. Again, we're back into Katie Cloud. Remember, you went to kdisd.org and found your My Katie Cloud. I've already logged in, and we're going to go back to Canvas. This is, remember, our platform that we're using for challenge throughout the district. Log in, KDISD username and password. And I'm going to select my class again, an example for second grade. And I see my home page here again. Remember, I have my grade level activities, more resources, anything I want to look at here. I'm going to go and find my week. So I have second grade week 1. Again, this is my lesson, what I'm looking at. Topics and activities for the week. Week 1 logic, second grade. Here's your video of how to solve grid puzzles for logic and your grid below. You can work on a separate piece of paper, or you can click on this, download it, and print it as well. There's also a link above here. Your final thing for the week to complete your lesson is your week 1 reflection. When you click on week 1 reflection, it's going to refer back to your original lesson, which asks you in the reflection to explain the following in a few sentences. First and second grade, you guys can submit via a video or type it. Third, fourth, and fifth, you need to type it, and then your video is optional if you want to add the optional video for me. Okay, second grade, we have our 3 items for the week. Click on week 1 reflection. So we have this due by Friday, and again I retyped in these questions here so that you don't have to refer back to your original lesson page. You're going to click submit assignment. Again, the submitting is a text entry box, a media recording, or a file upload. If you want to write it down and then take a picture of it and upload it, that is completely up to you. So here's where you're going to upload it. Here's your options here, file or text. So if you want to, again, like I said, you took a picture of it, or maybe you wanted to write it in a Google Docs submission, that's up to you. If you would like to just type it in, just like a Word file here, all your options to do. Video, if I want to do this, I could record or upload. I can just use my webcam on my computer. I don't think it's going to let me since I'm using my webcam now. You would click that, go ahead and try. Punch it down. You may go ahead and talk to me, explain all of your answers. When you're finished, you'll click finish. You can change the name of it and save. Okay. When you're finished, you've done whatever you would like to do, text, file, or media upload. You're going to click submit assignment. I won't be able to see what you have done until you click submit. If you've forgotten something, or you want to change something in the meantime, or you found some new information you want to share, go ahead and click resubmit assignment, and you can change and edit. Another thing that if you have questions as you're working through this, students, you can contact me directly by going to your inbox right over here on the left. When you click on inbox, sorry, I guess you can't on this side. When you click on inbox, it's just an email directly to me. So you can click on inbox and ask me any questions that you have, and I will write you directly back, either with a video screencast or just with a text email. You want to just tell me what's going on too? Doesn't even have to be a question. Feel free to inbox me or ask me any questions at any time. Students, I'd be happy to hear from you. All right, so that is how you submit a week reflection. You may go back and review if you need.